Good morning to all my loving children. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy. Welcome to the EVS class. Today, with the help of this video, we are going to read and understand Lesson 12, Animals Around Us. Aim of the lesson: to know about different types of animals around us and their uses. Before starting the lesson, let's recite a small rhyme about animals. At the zoo, we saw a bear. He had dark, long, fuzzy hair. We saw a lion in a cage. He was in an awful rage. But my favorite animal at the zoo is the elephant. What about you? Is the elephant? What about you? We see many animals around us. Some animals are big, like giraffe, elephant and camel, and some are small, like rabbit, cat and squirrel. Some animals are very small. They are called insects, like honeybee, ant, housefly and cockroach. Some animals can fly with the help of their wings. They are called birds, like sparrow, crow, pigeon. Like people, animals also live in different places, and on the basis of their places, we have different types of animals. Land animals, water animals, domestic animals, pet animals, and wild animals. Animals that live on land are called land animals. For examples, elephant, buffalo, cow, etc. Animals that live in water are called water animals, like fish, whale, shark, etc. Children, do you know blue whale is the largest animal on the earth? Animals which are kept in a farm and are useful for us are called domestic animals, like cow. Cow gives us milk. Hen gives us egg. Some animals are kept at home. They are called pet animals, like dog, rabbit, fish and cat. Some animals live in a jungle. They are called wild animals, like elephant, giraffe, zebra, tiger, etc. As people, animals also have their homes. So let's read the names of animals' homes. A bird lives in a nest. A spider lives in a web. A lion lives in a den. A monkey lives on a tree. A cow lives in a shed. A bee lives in a beehive. So my dear children, always remember that we should not hurt animals. Save the animals, as they are very important part of our life. I hope you all have understood the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.